Welcome to our channel. If you want to back up call logs from your iPad, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your FaceTime and other calling history is safely stored and can be restored if needed. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPad by tapping the gray gear icon on your home screen. Step 2. Tap on your name at the top of the settings screen to access your Apple ID settings. Step 3. Tap on iCloud to view your cloud backup and storage options. Step 4. Scroll down and ensure FaceTime or relevant calling apps are toggled on to include their data in iCloud backups. Step 5. Go back to the main iCloud settings page and tap on iCloud Backup to access backup options. Step 6. Toggle on iCloud Backup if it isn't already enabled. This ensures your device data, including call logs, is automatically backed up. Step 7. Tap Backup Now to initiate an immediate backup of your iPad, including FaceTime call history and other app data. Step 8. Ensure your iPad is connected to Wi-Fi and plugged into power during the backup process. Wait for the backup to complete. Step 9. To verify the backup, return to iCloud Backup settings and check the date and time of your last successful backup. Step 10. For additional safety, consider using iTunes or Finder on your computer to create a local backup by connecting your iPad and selecting Backup Now. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.